Hello guys, welcome to my channel Try My Office. Today we are going to see the review about the software called Viral Mark, world's first Twitter plus YouTube traffic automation software. Yes, if you want to get the special bonus, I leave a link below in the description. If you get this Viral Mark product through my link and send the purchase page screenshot to my Instagram, and I will reply and give you a special bonus. Yes, I will reply for your DMs and I will give you a special bonus. Yes. Smart push button solution drives unlimited free targeted buyer traffic in next 28 seconds. No prior tech skills, marketing skills, or upfront cost needed. Yeah, this software offers first 250 action takers get all in one bundle suit worth $250 absolutely free. Yes, it is a free gift. You can hurry and get this offer soon. Drive red hot buyer traffic on autopilot in just 28 seconds. 100% new buy friendly and pocket suited technology. Enjoy laptop lifestyle right from your home. Quit 9 to 5 jobs soon. Yes, please get this link and avail this product. Create passive income source with no additional investment. No prior tech or marketing skills needed, as I said before. Live king size and give dream life to your family. Even newbies can drive real traffic and sales like a pro. Zero learning curve, Viral Mark does all the heavy lifting, works for any offer and any niche. Ironclad 30 days money back guarantee. It is a fantastic offer. So if you not like this product or if you're not comfortable with this product, you can get the money back in 30 days. Okay, here's the link to access this product and grab at crazy one time price today. Usually it is $47 per month, so today only one time out for $17 alone. So please get this software soon. Sorry. Imagine getting result real result like this every sunrise. Yes, here is a $70, $77. Yesterday it is 481. Okay, how to set this? Just 2 clicks and you are all set to drive unlimited free and targeted traffic. Step 1, purchase. Click the buy button below to grab a copy. And step 2, relax and enjoy. Click one button to send free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in as little as 28 seconds. Early users love viral market, and I am sure you will too. Rihanna Usas. Viral mark is fast, easy to use, and complete value for money. She has been using it for her traffic campaigns and trust me, I'm getting floods of audience to my pages. Don't miss out this one it is. And here's the second testament. Mark William. Viral Mark is fresh and really amazing. I have been a part of this online marketing space since the last 6 years, but only a few of these products catch my attention. This one is surely gonna rock the market, willing to invest in something that's capable of giving real results. Don't miss out Viral Marks folks. Now you are all done. Live like a king and enjoy your dream lifestyle. I bet others will be envious. From the desk of Rudy Rudra is who's launched the product. He own this product. Dear success hungry marketer, do you feel frustrated with the shiny make money online products you have purchased so far? Do you also feel that there needs to be an end to this entire BS going out there? Do you feel that you're not getting desired results with your marketing efforts? If you are standing the nodding your head in agreement, I urge you to go through this carefully because it's my prime objective to help you succeed at online. For getting success in the online marketing arena, you must cut the crap and focus on the main thing. Yes. Again, I'm saying if you want to purchase a product through my link and send the purchase page screenshot to my Instagram, I will reply and give you a special bonus. To avail the special bonus, it's simple, truly simple, truly simple. Get this product, send the screenshot to my Instagram. Yes, to get the bonus. Hope you guys understand. There are multiple tools and technique available, but you must ensure you are focused on the main thing that does not include self proclaimed marketing gurus, expensive make money online trainings, long and boring YouTube video tutorials, traditional old school methods, classy products that seldom deliver, PDF guides that promise to make you rich, complex and time consuming software. Yes, following all this simply means you are sailing in two boats at the same time, and that really sounds confusing and irrelevant. Look, we are all searching for that hidden secrets to change our lives overnight. The quest for achieving the unachieved keeps us going, so we are all somewhere searching for the best. But do we know exactly what it means? Is it getting more and more customers to our office? Is it getting targeted leads without investing much in paid ads? Is it snatching away success from the jaws of defeat? But the most important thing is we must help others to grow and help them on their path to glory. By doing so, we feel tons of content and enlightenment. Give others what they're looking for, and you'll automatically get success. That's the golden rule started by top marketing experts by providing products that are easy to purchase as well as the ensure you will make some real passive income in the long run. You not only contribute towards the success of others but also help to spread a positive word of mouth for your brand. These products may include either of the following: expert constitution and guidance, selling high ticket webinars, launch your products and services, affiliate marketing products, email marketing, join question and answer websites, setting up e-commerce stores. Well, if you're aware of all this, then why are you still caught up? Now that's the question that keeps all of us guessing. And this is one of the biggest problem faced by app 96% marketers. When they started their digital marketing journey, and if these questions remain unanswered, you have to face the heat and get ready to deal with severe frustration, increased anxiety, reduced self confidence, enhanced mental pressure, low self esteem, and much more than you can't even think of. So one day I decided to put an end to all this one and for all. A fresh and never seen before solution that takes the market by surprise. This is something that really kept us on our toes as it takes times to choose the best from the nest. We did multiple split tests just to ensure that what we think will be useful actually delivers credible results in the long run. We used to tons of tricks and techniques to become 100% sure before offering something like this to the market. Before you jump to some rapid conclusions, we would like to clarify that this is far ahead and better than creating articles, social media marketing, driving paid traffic, sales and marketing videos, make money online techniques, other promotional methods. Now imagine what if you had to power to tap into 4 billion users in easy 2 clicks. I'm sure that's got you linking of freaking in excitement. Now to remove the curtains and end the suspense. We are taking about the two red hot social media giants, Twitter and YouTube, that have a combined user base of 4.5 billion plus. And now you too can tap into the huge buyer base in just a few clicks of your mouse. The biggest catch is for doing all this, you don't need prior tech or marketing skills. As I said before, the same thing coming again and again. So don't hesitate to buy these projects.